It's Anita. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Let me say that and get it out the way. And I'll try to bring you videos on a consistent basis. I'm trying. But anyway, it is day 11 and of our fall planting challenge in the month of August. And today I am not going to do a whole bunch, but I did notice yesterday when we were going through the little hoop house that a lot of the plants were getting tore up. Oh my God, I did not want to go in there this morning, but I do see something I want to show you guys, because if you look at day 10, we didn't have much of anything with the beans. The shoots were just coming through. But this morning, let me see if I can jump in here. This morning, look, they are huge. Wow. Those are the pinto beans that I took out my closet and put in the ground. I was just trying to look at the lettuce. I don't see anything in this lettuce bowl. The radishes are coming up pretty strong. I love it. And now there's the broccoli. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. But this pot, something got a hold of it. And what I decided to do was, being that I'm losing as much as I plant, even my tomatillos weren't in the challenge. Well, I don't have them on the list. Got eaten. So it's a couple of things in here that's getting destroyed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some more seeds in of these, but I'm gonna put it in the starter trays. I want my oregano. Look, every time I touch something, something flies. So it's a lot of aphids and stuff flying around. But what I decided to do was, something even got in the onions. What I decided to do was do some starter trays. And see, now down here, my thyme is doing really good. Parsley, rosemary, and still stuff flying. And you can only spray so much. And chamomile, that the little seedlings I see down there are trying. Maybe I should put a cup over that and try to protect it a little bit. I think I'll do that. But what I'm gonna do is, I'll remember to put chamomile in one of those seed starter trays too. What I decided to do was, because I didn't prep my soil, I did get another potting mix plus fertilizer, so you don't have to add anything to that. The only thing I add to it is mushroom compost and perlite or coconut to open it up a little bit so that, you know, everything flows through it properly. And I did make up a little batch for these trays, and I haven't decided what I'm going to put in the trays yet. I said I wasn't going to use these again because they're too hard to dig out, but I'm going to get some starters in here, because if anything fails in the hoop house, I got nothing, you know, nothing to replace them with. And I want to plant as much fall vegetables as I can. So I'm going to get these starter trays started, and I'll come back and tell you guys what I'm putting in each one. Okay, I got some seeds in, finally completed what I have so far. Okay, we got broccoli, Brussels sprouts, that's called Long Island, and the broccoli is Walton. We got cabbage, golden. We got, oh, I'm upside down, I can't even read that. Something, flower, cauliflower. Oh my goodness, I can't see. Okay, we got turnips, kale, what did I say? Oregano, collards, chives, fennel, chamomile, cilantro, black cohosh, evening primrose, sage, and lavender. And I just did a jasmine here. My nails are yellow. I was cleaning turmeric. Oh my goodness. So anyway, we got jasmine there. Then I put in some ashwagandha. I put in some, look at my mango, guys. It's growing. Finally got one too. Okay, the kale seeds are coming up. A little piece of cabbage. Look like it, oh, that's the seed on there, or either got eaten. Okay, I did put broccoli here, leeks, collards, and this is a mystery flower. My daughter went somewhere and picked the lady flowers and she said it were pretty, and the lady gave her some seeds from the flowers. So yeah, they know me. Okay, and did I do anything else? I think that's it. You know, I got everything in the grow tent. Oh, something came and they tore up my zucchini plants last night. So I got dead zucchini plants. Look at these birds are fighting. Wow. Okay, so they tore up the zucchini plants yesterday, and then one of the ones I had coming up is gone. So something came and devoured them. And I had been coming out here spraying every morning, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I have 2 zucchini plants left. So I'm going to put some more zucchini in. There he is again. He's back. Zucchini in, and that'll be another day. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you love and light. A seed a day will give you a bountiful fall harvest. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Love and light.